This is exercise 14.3. For exercise 14.3, the question is find minus 2a square b square into 4b into 3a square. So for this kind of question, simply we can write 2a square b square into 4b into 3a square. The first thing is we have to multiply all the number. 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 3, that is became 24. So minus 24. Now a square into a square. There is 2a square into a square. We always add the power. 2 plus 2, 4. So we will write a to the power 4. And 1 b square and 1 b. If there is nothing on b, so it is 1. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. So it is b cube. And this is the product. Now come to the next question is minus m cube plus m square n plus 2mn into minus 5mn. For this what we have to do is, with this number we will multiply all of them. So minus m cube into minus 5mn. This is for ones. The next is, after plus we will multiply m square n into minus 5mn. Because with 5mn we have to multiply all of them separately. Then it is 2mn and into minus 5mn. So now m cube m. There is nothing, so it is 1. Minus minus will become plus, so we will give 5. M cube into m. 3 and here is 1, that means 4. M to the power 4. N is not anywhere, so we will write n. Plus. The next is m square n minus 5mn. For this plus minus, it will become minus. So you can write minus 5 m square into m. That means 2 plus 1, that is 3 m cube. N into n, that means n square. The next is plus minus, we can easily write minus. 2 into 5 is 10. M into m, m square. N into n, n square. So this is your answer. The next question is simplify. Then it is p minus p into 2q minus n plus 2q p plus q plus n minus n 3p minus q minus 2n. So for this you have to multiply p with p. P means p square. P with 2q. Here is minus sign. So first put the sign minus 2q. And then p. Because 2qp. And then p and n. So the p into n will become np. Then plus 2 into, here is also plus, so plus the sign will become plus 2q and p. So you can write 2qp plus, because plus became plus, 2q into q, that became 2q square. Then 2q plus n will become 2qn. And then minus n into 3p. So minus and plus will become minus 3pn. Then here is minus. So minus will become plus. N into q will become nq. And minus. So this will become also minus plus 2n square, because n into n is n square. So now this is what we finally got. Now we have to see which terms are like terms. P square. Here is no other p square, so we will write p square. After that it is 2qp. And here is also a 2qp. So minus 2qp plus 2qp. The number are exact same, so we will cancel them. The next one is np, minus np, and here is minus 3pn. So these are also like term. Minus will become the sign will become minus, but we have to add them. So 3 and here is nothing means 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. We can write Pn or either Np, anything what you want. So up to this portion is completed. Then we got 2q square, that's we will write. And now 2qn plus nq. The same way here is also 1 plus plus will become plus sign and we have to add them also. 2 plus 1 is 3 qn. So this is also done. What we have is 2n square. So plus 2n square. So this is our final value. Now the next question is also finding a product. Here is a multiplication sign, but the difference is it is a trinomial and it is a binomial. So for this kind of question, first we have to write 2p. So write 2p and then the first portion we will write in bracket. And then here is minus q, we will write minus q, and then again the first portion we will write in the bracket as multiplication. Just like the last math, we will also do this. 2p and p square became 2p cube because 1 and plus 2, that means 3. So 2p cube, and then it is 2p and it is q square, so minus 2pq square. Now it is 2p and it is 3pq. 2p, 2 into 3 became 6 and the sign will become plus. pp became p square and 1q. The next one is q into p square will become p square q. The sign is plus and minus, so we have put minus. Now minus minus will become plus. Q into q square became q cube. Minus and plus will become minus 3p. Q into q is q square. Now we have to find the like term. 2p cube. Here is no other 2p cube, so we can easily put 2p cube. Now 2pq square minus 2pq square, and here is pq square, that is a pq square, minus 2pq square and minus 3pq square. Minus minus, the sign became minus and we have to add them. 2 plus 3, 5 pq square. Now the next is p square q and p square q. Plus 6p square cube minus p square cube. Plus minus, we have to subtract. Here is nothing means 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5 p square cube. And the sign will be the greater number. 6 is greater number, so we have to put plus. And then we have only 1 q cube left. We will put that and our math is complete. Now it is vertical method of multiplication. For this kind of maths, we have to multiply just like we do in arithmetic. 2 into 4, that is 8, and there is nothing, so we will put xy. The sign is minus, so minus, and now 2 into 2, that is 4, x into x square into x, that means x cube, and only y is left, so put that y. This is how. And if this is a monomial, if monomial we can do like this, but here is a binomial. For binomial, first we will multiply with 3n. 3 into 10, that means 30. n into n means n square. Now 3n into minus 3m square n. Plus minus. For this plus plus, the sign will become plus. For this plus minus, the sign will become minus. Now 3 into 3 will become 9. M square, n into n will become n square. Now 3n into 5mn square. This is plus, and before 5mn there is no sign, means a plus sign. So plus plus will become plus. 3 into 5 became 15. N square into n will become n cube. Now we have to multiply it with minus 2m. Minus 2m plus 20. 2 into 20 is 2 into 10 is 20. But here is m and here is one more m. That means m square and only one m. But here is no number that contain m square and only one m. So we will put them exactly different from all them. 2 into 10 minus plus, it will become minus 2 into 10 20 m square n. And then minus 2 and minus 3, that will become plus. So plus 2 into 3 is 6. M into m square means m cube and n. M cube n also a unlike term from all of them. And now 2mn plus 5mn square. 2 into 5, that means 10. M will become m square and n square. So for this number we can put here. Minus plus will become minus 2 into 5 10. M square and n square is there. Now simply put all of the number. This is 6m cube n plus 15mn cube. Minus 9 minus 10 will become 19m square n square plus 30mn square minus 20 m square n. That is your answer.